Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Messenger if it's not showing messages. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, go ahead and swipe down and find the control center. Okay. Now find airplane mode. You're going to want to turn this on. Okay. Turn it on for about 10 seconds. And then once done, just go ahead and turn it back off. After that, close the Messenger app. Reopen it, and once done, you should be able to see messages now. Now, if that still won't work, make sure that your internet is working perfectly fine. So if you do have Wi-Fi, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is not working properly, try to at least connect to a mobile data or vice versa. Okay? And once that's done, test it out. Now, if that still won't work, close the app, find the app icon, tap and hold. Now, if you're just using Android, so tap on app info, scroll down, find storage. Now tap on clear cache and then clear data. Now this one, if you're using Android. Now for iOS, just go ahead over to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. And then once that's done, tap on Facebook, then offload the data or offload the app. Okay, and once everything is done, go ahead and open up Play Store or App Store, and then just find Messenger. Okay. If there's an update button, go ahead and update it. And then once done, open it up, and you should now be able to see messages. Now, if you are missing messages from people who are not on your immediate friends list, okay, Messenger automatically filters them into hidden folders without alerting you. So what you'll do is to go ahead and open it up manually. So open up the Messenger app, find the horizontal lines right here, and then go ahead and tap on message request. You should be able to see everything right here. Okay? And that's how you fix Facebook Messenger if it's not showing messages. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.